What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Man coming back to you again from the set. Today, man, we're gonna take a look at a quick comparison between the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL versus the OnePlus 13. Now, this is kind of a teaser video, so to speak, but we here on the set don't really believe in stats and specs, right? But this is just a teaser video for the comparison that we're gonna do. We're gonna take these things out and do a shootout between the two with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is, for me, the king of the Android phones right now, versus the first flagship of 2025. So without it, what we call further ado, let's get into it, man. So first off, the difference between these two in hand for me is what we would call negligible. And of course, we got the D brand skin on the Google Pixel. Don't have a D brand skin for this one yet. I don't know if I'm gonna go with a D brand skin just because of the pattern and the texture that's on the back of this, but I don't know. But this skin here is always hidden because I put a case on it. So kind of defeats the purpose, but it's always good to take it off when you're in the house and you can see the true sexiness of the device, right? So first off, screen sizes, same thing. They're both 6.8 inch LTPO OLED, well, OLED for the Google Pixel and AMOLED for the OnePlus 13. Cool, right? 120 hertz on the Google Pixel, right? And we got 120 hertz on the OnePlus 13. Also, processors, which is probably going to be the differentiator between the two if you are a gamer. Gaming on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL with the Tensor G4 chip, it is what it is, right? You're not going to do any severe heavy gaming with that. With the OnePlus 13, we have the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which in benchmarks has proven to be a very, very worthy gaming processor. Take that for what it's worth. With all the vapor chambers and all that other stuff with the heat dissipation and the 12 gigs of RAM that's in this phone, yeah, I don't know if you can really beat that. So speaking of RAM, the Google Pixel goes up to 16 gigs of RAM, while the OnePlus goes up to 24 gigs of RAM. Haven't really seen that configuration, but that's what they say. You can go up to 1 terabyte in both of these devices. Again, spaces is what we call negligible, to say the least, on both of these. Now, as far as the camera tech for the Google Pixel, we have a 50 megapixel primary, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto with 5 times zoom on this one, right? Now for the OnePlus 13, you got 50s all the way around. 50 primary, 50 ultra wide, and a 50 telephoto with 3x zoom. So advantage Google. Needless to say, the Google has the better processing, but we haven't tested both of these out. I have taken some photos on this device, the OnePlus 13, and they look pretty good, man. But again, the conditions were good. Haven't really did any nighttime shooting yet. But again, we're gonna put this joint through its paces at the same time, do a comparison between the two. Now, where we get the front facing, the Google Pixel, in my opinion, is still going to be the king of that because of the wide field of view that you have with that. And it's a 42 megapixel shooter on the front. For the OnePlus 13, you got 32 megapixels on that. So again, advantage Google, right? Pixel, they call it a Pixel for a reason, right? Okay, let's get into the battery sizes, because we all know Android phones, they tend to do what they do when it comes to batteries, right? Yeah, but the Google Pixel stepped it up this year and they have a 4700 milliamp hour battery inside of that one. OnePlus, not to be outdone with this one, crammed a 6,000 milliamp hour battery into that, which is 3,000 milliamp cells in that, with a new technology which everybody's kind of gonna use this year with the silicone technology in there. So be on the lookout for that again in 2025, right? So advantage OnePlus 13, right? So wired charging sucks in the Pixel. We got 27-watt fast charging in the Pixel. Now that's not slow, to say the least, but when you bring in 100-watt wired charging in the OnePlus 13 with the Super VOOC charging, bruh, good night. We charging from 0 to 100 in like 35, 36 minutes, something like that. Totally ridiculous, right? For the wireless charging, again, in the Google Pixel, we got up to 21 watts in that one, right? And in the OnePlus, we got 50 watts, of course, with their wireless charger in there with the wireless charging for the OnePlus 13. Astronomically crazy for a wireless charger, I know, but if you know Oppo phones and previous OnePlus devices, then you already know what we're trying to do here, right? Okay, we got an Android 14 initially on the Pixel, and then it was upgraded to 15. Out of the box, the OnePlus comes with Android 15 with Oxygen OS, which for me is super customizable, it's super snappy, can't go wrong with it, right? Advantage, it's kind of tough because a lot of the features from what I've seen so far that is like were exclusive to the Pixel, they right here too in the OnePlus 13. So it's all on preference on that one, right? The camera features, Google Pixel, it's a Pixel, bruh. You're gonna get the Google processing and the editing of things, and Google tends to make their photos look really good with inferior camera tech. And the Pixel XL this year is, it takes some good ass pictures and good videos, which was different for Pixels because photos never came out really, the videos never really came out that good. But all right, so the OnePlus 13 OnePlus has kind of suffered in that area when we talk about cameras, video, with the photos. It wasn't all that good, and the relationship with Hasselblad was kind of like, why are we doing this, right? And so far, I preface that so far, I think they might, with the Hasselblad camera tuning in this one, I do think it's gonna be a serviceable camera. But again, photos and videos are all subjective, right? It depends on your flavor, your experience with camera tech, those things like that. So cameras, it's all subjective, right? But for me, so far, I think it may be a go. So there you go with that. Advantage, nobody, because again, it's all on what you like in your photos. Now, we got the heavy hitting stuff out of the way, right? No, let's talk about the damn price, because this phone comes in at $1,099. Yes, you can get the Google Pixel on sale for probably around $899-ish, which puts it in direct competition with the OnePlus, which is on sale at release for, I wouldn't say it's on sale, but they're offering the 512 storage option upgrade for $899. Plus, if you get it from Best Buy, you get a $100 gift card on top of that. If you get it from OnePlus, you trade in any device, whether it works or not, and you're gonna get $100 off. They have some really good trade-in deals too. Plus, they're giving away a OnePlus Watch 2R. So yeah, but as far as price, at the initial sticker price, the Google Pixel comes in at $1,099, which was kind of high for a Pixel device, but it's a big device. For the OnePlus, you're looking at release $899, but the sticker price of $999, so it's still cheaper than the Pixel XL. I'm rocking with the cheaper price because I'm on a budget, if you feel what I'm saying. And with the tech that's inside this phone, it's gonna last you for a while. Same thing with the Google Pixel too. Like, these phones at this point have plateaued, so it doesn't really matter what you get, it's still gonna work for you. Because in the end, it's just a damn phone, right? Right? Yeah. That's what we're gonna go with, right? All right. So to wrap this video up, man, again, this was just a prequel to the video that we're gonna do when we do a shootout between these two. And I know, there's probably a ton of videos on YouTube right now doing shootouts, but they ain't the set, right? I'm getting to you straight, because ain't nobody send me this, and ain't nobody send me this. I bought these shits with my own money, so we not bought, we not, yeah. We ain't sponsored by me and my pockets. So hit that like and subscribe button, man, so YouTube can pay me a couple dollars so I can buy some more of this shit, so I can give you guys real reviews on these devices. Yeah, that's what we doing here on the set, man. So hit that like and subscribe button for your boy on the way out, man. But if you're looking for a phone that's gonna last you 2 days, my initial thing is gonna be, go with this one. 6,000 milliamp hours. Yeah, that's crazy. And for it to be, shit, it's thinner than the Google Pixel. Oh man, that's crazy. My camera don't want to focus because it don't like my face. But this gonna be the thumbnail right here. That one right there, or this one. One of these gonna be the thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? But if you're looking for a device that's gonna get you through at least 2 days, man, I'm talking about shit, shower, shave, rinse and repeat, right? This probably gonna be the one for you, man. The processor is a beast of a processor. Unlike the half-assed attempt that Google threw at this phone with the Tensor G4. Now, don't get me wrong. This is my favorite phone. This was my #1 phone of 2024. Like, hands down, not the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, not the Flip, not the Ultra. What else did I have? The Google Pixel Fold. Like, yeah, no. This phone was by far the best phone that I've had in quite some time. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, I don't know what Apple did with that device, but I'm rambling. Yeah, just a little bit. But anyway, back to these two things, man. Again, these things all come down to personal preference, right? If you like customization, which Android offers a plethora of customization, but for some strange reason, the Pixel just really doesn't want to let us customize as much as we used to with Android. That's when Oxygen OS comes in. It's clean, man. You got tons of extra features. You got a semi-decent camera so far. I would say semi-decent because I haven't really put it through its paces yet. But from what I've seen so far, I think it's gonna get the job done. And I don't think you will be disappointed with this device either. But again, stay tuned for the full review of the OnePlus 13 and the camera shootout between these two. And I might even do a shootout with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, because that's really my daily driver, just because I got Apple everything, and it's the bat phone right here, and this the black phone. All right, bro, I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I'm your boy Money Matt, here on the set where we talk about sneakers, electronics, which again, bro, we got Samsung coming around the corner, bro, with those new Galaxy devices for 2025. So you already know we gonna get them joints in here too. Again, that's what we do here on the set. Sneakers, electronics, and toys. I'm your boy Money Mad, folks. I do appreciate you watching. Hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.